The AI silicon ceiling. Why artificial intelligence widens the wealth gap. After decades of building systems, I began to notice a quiet but powerful pattern. AI, hailed as a tool for everyone, is quietly creating a divide, amplifying wealth and opportunity for a few while leaving billions behind. Some ride the wave of frontier intelligence, gaining unprecedented advantage, while others watch from the shore, locked out of the next industrial revolution. Over the next 20 minutes, I'll take you inside this hidden world where algorithms, data, and human behavior intersect and reveal the forces shaping the digital economy and our minds in ways we rarely see. The whisper of algorithms. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. William James. I want you to imagine the pulse of the digital world. The unseen currents of computation that hum beneath every click, scroll, and search. Right now, while you sit listening, algorithms are shaping opportunities, information, and value in ways we barely notice. The question that will guide us today is subtle but urgent. Why does artificial intelligence, heralded as a democratizing force, seem to enrich a few while leaving billions in quiet stagnation? In this exploration, we will peer into the machinery of the mind and the machine alike, tracing the patterns that build wealth, influence, and cognitive architecture in the era of AI. The illusion of democratic intelligence. Technology is neither good nor bad, nor is it neutral. Melvin Kranzberg. Marketing promised us a level playing field, AI that could empower every worker, every creator. But beneath the slogans lies a stratified reality. GPT-6, frontier models, advanced neural networks, these tools are now luxuries, accessible only to those with the resources to sustain them. What was once software you could run in a bedroom startup is now a sovereign-level infrastructure, guarded by subscription gates and cloud monopolies. The digital age whispers equality, yet it delivers a carefully curated hierarchy. The compute moat. In the long run, we are all dead. John Maynard Keynes. The era of garage startups building the future on consumer hardware is fading. Massive server clusters and sky-high energy costs now define who can play. Startups without access must rent intelligence from the few who hold the keys. This compute poverty creates a moat, a modern economic fortress protecting incumbents. The higher the cost of frontier AI, the lower the chance for disruption. Innovation becomes a gated club, measured in power bills, not ideas. Data colonialism. Knowledge is power. Francis Bacon. Every data set is a story, a representation of human experience. Yet much of the global South contributes labor, data, and creativity to models that amplify wealth in the global North. Labelers in Nairobi, Bangalore, or Bangkok feed trillions of algorithmic calculations for pennies, fueling billion-dollar valuations elsewhere. Meanwhile, regional innovation dries up as local insights are absorbed into central silos, never returning value to their communities. The digital world, we realize, is built on invisible extraction. Algorithmic gatekeeping. The map is not the territory. Alfred Korzybski. Algorithms are now arbiters of opportunity. AI-powered trading, venture scouting, automated hiring. These systems, designed to maximize efficiency, end up multiplying wealth for the top 0.1% while reinforcing systemic inequities. When your resume is filtered by a model trained on Western biases, or a credit algorithm evaluates your country of origin as a risk factor, the invisible gate swings shut. The promise of AI as an equalizer collapses against its own logic. Perception Insight Quiz. After you have listened, open the quiz tab. The questions reveal how you interpreted what you heard and invite you to notice the hidden logic in your reactions. Then, share your score in the comments. The K-shaped divide. Inequality is the root of social unrest. Adam Smith, interpreted for modern economies. A K-shaped economy is one where growth splits sharply. Some rise rapidly, while others fall behind. Frontier intelligence accelerates this divide. Those with AI surge ahead, productivity multiplying exponentially. Those without are left in decline, their skills devalued, struggling to keep up. The rich gain not just wealth, but cognitive leverage tools, insights, and automation the majority cannot access. Those left behind often feel invisible in a system beyond their control. AI is not just shaping industries, it is redrawing the map of possibility with uneven lines. Cognitive load in the digital age. We are drowning in information while starving for wisdom. E. O. Wilson. Beyond capital, AI shifts mental landscapes. Every notification, recommendation, and personalized feed is a microtransaction of attention. The human mind bears the weight of invisible computation. Balancing mental fatigue, decision paralysis, and identity confusion. Science tells us that cognitive load limits creativity, focus, and resilience. In this environment, being smart is no longer enough. Access and attention are currency. The ethics of intelligence. The question is not what you look at, but what you see. Henry David Thoreau. AI amplifies the ethical gaps inherent in human systems. Credit scoring, hiring filters, predictive policing, these are no longer neutral tools. They inherit biases, codify them, and magnify their consequences globally. When a neural network evaluates human potential, it carries the weight of prior inequities, raising questions not just of profit, but of morality, fairness, and justice. We are building intelligence that reflects our shadows. The illusion of autonomy. Freedom is nothing else but a chance to be better. Albert Camus. We like to believe AI liberates us, making work lighter, creativity easier, life fuller. Yet dependence on proprietary intelligence subtly erodes autonomy. Every decision, filtered by recommendation engines or automated systems, nudges us into paths chosen by unseen hands. The digital scaffolding of our choices creates a quiet conformity, where freedom is conditional, not inherent. The materiality of thought. The brain is wider than the sky. Emily Dickinson. While AI feels ethereal, its power is brutally material. GPUs, energy grids, data centers, and human labor. These physical structures anchor intelligence in resource hierarchies. The architecture of the digital mind mirrors the architecture of global inequality. Where computation is scarce, potential remains unrealized. Where it is abundant, opportunity multiplies like an unseen gravitational force. The mirror of mind. Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate. Carl Jung. AI is a mirror, reflecting both the brilliance and the blind spots of humanity. When we interact with predictive systems, recommendation engines, and automated workflows, we confront the contours of our own cognition. What do we value? How do we prioritize attention? What assumptions guide our choices? The digital world does not just simulate intelligence, it illuminates the hidden patterns of our own mind. Digital aristocracy. All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. George Orwell. The consolidation of AI power forms a new aristocracy. Access to frontier models, proprietary datasets, and sovereign-level computation defines a hierarchy as rigid as any feudal system. Wealth, creativity, and influence concentrate at the top, while the majority contribute labor and data with limited return. The silicon ceiling is less visible than its material counterpart, yet its effects ripple across economies, cultures, and personal lives. Breaking the silicon ceiling. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Alan Kay. Hope emerges in movements challenging centralized control. Open compute initiatives, decentralized AI networks, and sovereign clouds are attempts to democratize access. National data protection laws, regional AI hubs, and global digital commons seek to counteract entrenched hierarchies. Innovation becomes a collective enterprise, where intelligence is a shared resource rather than a monopolized luxury. Toward awareness, not prescriptions. The unexamined life is not worth living. Socrates. This journey is not a manifesto, but a mirror. By understanding the forces shaping AI, economies, and cognition, we gain reflective awareness. We recognize the unseen costs, the invisible gatekeepers, and the ethical dilemmas. Awareness alone does not level the field, but it grants clarity a space to choose. Question and engage consciously in the digital world. The pulse of possibility. Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Carl Sagan. As we step back from the computational home, the patterns emerge. Inequality amplified, innovation gated, consciousness tested. Yet within these structures lie potential the possibility of collaboration, ethical intelligence, and distributed power. Our task is not to escape the digital world, but to decode it, to see the hidden currents, and to act with understanding. The future is shaped by those who perceive the architecture beneath the surface. This is Decode, where we uncover the hidden patterns, unseen costs, and scientific forces shaping the mind in the digital age. The conversation doesn't end here. Visit the quiz tab and share your score in the comments. Thanks for your time. It's been a delight. What should we explore next? Comment, share, and save your insight. Subscribe to Orbital Sapiens and keep your thoughts bright.